What's up guys, Presley Yong here, back for another video. Today is an exciting day. Today I got the iPhone 12 Pro Max. You can see it right here. Now I actually removed the wrap because I want to check in the store whether it's okay, good condition. So yeah. Now this is the Pacific Blue. I realize most YouTubers always bought the gold one, but I prefer Pacific Blue because I never unbox other phones because this was my daily driver, my Net's phone. And I can also do the iOS beta updates as well, but I will not install on my main device, so that I will try my best what will be in this new beta. So means that I will search it up and I'll talk about it and then talk about where you can find it if you install the beta. So actually, if you can zoom in, also I'm not going to show you anything. It's the Pro Max 256 GB model, and of course I also bought the cases and the wire. Now I'm not going to use the USB Type-C Lightning because I have an iPad charger that supports this one. So I bought the Otter cable charger. So if you can, let me just autofocus it. So of course this is how the package looks like, built to last. Now I don't buy Apple charger. This one is better quality. You can see how the quality is, and then the charge, which is great. You can have something to hook it, which is also good. Now enough for this one. So let's do the unboxing. Obviously I boxed in there, but I'm not gonna do that in the store. Let me just go and focus it a better view so you can have a better look. We move it up. So of course you can see this, there's a cutout here. I think this is for the camera cutout, but I think I face this way because I'm gonna unbox it anytime. And very difficult to take it out. You have to do like this, and then there you go. I always set it up, buddy, and the Face ID when I look at it, and then oops, try out to unlock. Give me a sec. Okay, it's unlocked. Now here's the phone. You can see gorgeous color. This is the Pacific Blue. I can show you this is the real one. Now when you look at the side, you can see the camera actually come out. So I think even though with the case full protected, you also need to be careful with the camera on how you place the camera. Don't put something and then you break it as well. Now this one is very good, and it's so big. You can see how I hold it like this. You can reach it, you use two hands, but at least I can show you the settings, general, about, and it's run on 14.1. Surprisingly, it haven't updated to the 20.1. Now you can actually see the thing lighting up. You can see that's infrared scanner scanning the Face ID of it. So it's 14.1, and then the build number is I need to adjust again. 18A A395. So this 14.1 is different from 14.2. So we got 250 GB. So the phone actually takes out takes a lot, and then it left 241. Actually, I also got other apps installed, but even though without this installed, it's still 241. So I don't know how, but it looks great for this device. Now if we leave it aside, I just want to face like this because the camera module is annoying. Now we will have this cable. Now I'm not going to use this cable. In the future, if I bought something else, then I can use this. This is actually an extra, or I can sell it for someone who needs USB Type-C. You're welcome. And we also got this one as well, which is great. It's actually a very small pamphlet, and you got a SIM injector too, which is nice. A good thing Apple actually include this inside. I don't want to see one day that Apple just remove it and say it's for the environment. And really, this is metal. It's not. Don't throw it away. It's not. Okay, this is very important. Imagine the person lost this and then you had to get someone to fix it for you just because of that. And we got instructions. I think a lot of instructions. If you're from different country, you want to look at different language, you can look at it. And we got an Apple sticker. Now Apple only put one Apple sticker instead, not two, unfortunate, because probably Apple knows that nobody is going to use this kind of packaging. So yeah, so that's about the boxing, and I'll do 1 week review later, 1 week later after using the phone. And of course it's my 1 week device, and then you can see it's unlocked. It's so fast and responsive. Even though it's 60 Hertz, I still love this device. No, I think I just not touch the camera. Yeah, the finger touch. So that's about it about the iPhone 12 Pro Max. And be sure to subscribe to my channel turn on notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video 1 week later.